Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise in your video. So you can use KineMaster or CapCut. I'm usually use these two apps in order to edit my video. So let's start a CapCut because this is more user friendly. And of course for me CapCut is more complete than any other app out there. There are PC version and mobile version. So this is the mobile version. And how to remove background noise, you can tap new project or start your previous project. Here as you can see, this is my previous project I remove background noise. You can tap on your video or project first, and here you can slide the taskbar and try to find the reduce noise here. So in previous edition, reduce noise is a for free, but right now you have to join pro in order to use this reduce noise. So just you can turn on this feature and reducing noise will automatically affected on your a project. One more time, if you have a project, if you have the audio noise, you can try to reduce it. You cannot completely remove, but in this app CapCut you can try to reduce the noise. But unfortunately in a new version, you have to join pro first in order to use reduce noise. For example, you can tap on your project. Here you can try to search on the taskbar the reduce noise. This one, reduce noise pro version, is a must. So you can turn on and let the CapCut processing the reduce noise. You have just to wait for a second. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.